everyone, we're going to find the Taylor polynomial of orders 0, 1, 2, and 3 generated by f of x equals cosine of x, and it's going to be at x equals pi divided by 4. So let's go ahead and get started and crank out some derivatives. First, let's evaluate f of pi divided by 4, and that would be for our first term here. So you just write down cosine of x. We're evaluating at x equals pi divided by 4, and that equals square root of 2 divided by 2. Now let's differentiate our first derivative, f prime of pi divided by 4. That's going to be negative sine of x, and at x equal pi divided by 4, that gives you negative square root of 2 divided by 2. And then we're going to do f double prime of pi divided by 4. That's going to equal negative cosine of x. And at x equal pi divided by 4, that's going to equal also negative square root of 2 divided by 2. Now, at this second one here, remember, we have to divide by 2 factorial. So really what we're going to get is f double prime of pi divided by 4 divided by 2 factorial. So this is just going to be negative square root of 2. And then when you multiply 2 times 2, you're going to get 4. All right, and then finally we have our third derivative, pi divided by 4. And this one's going to equal sine of x. And at x equal pi divided by 4, that just equals square root of 2 divided by 2. And so for that third one, we have f triple prime of pi divided by 4. And for this one, it's divided by 3 factorial, which is actually 6. So that's going to be 6 times 2 is 12. So we're going to get square root of 2 divided by 12. Now let's find the polynomial of these orders. So let's get started with that. We have p sub 0 of x, and that was just our first term. So that's that. Square root of 2 divided by 2. Now, p sub 1 of x, that means the first two terms here, that's just going to equal square root of 2 divided by 2 minus square root of 2 divided by 2 times x minus a. So a is pi divided by 4. And then for the second one, now we're here. We're going to get, just copy this whole thing down. So this is going to be square root of 2 divided by 2 minus square root of 2 divided by 2 times x minus pi divided by 4. And now our next one's going to be another negative minus square root of 2 divided by 4 and x minus pi divided by 4 squared. And then for our third order, we have p sub 3 of x equals, copy all this down, just square root of 2 divided by 2 minus square root of 2 divided by 2 times x minus pi divided by 4 minus square root of 2 divided by 4 times x minus pi divided by 4 squared. And then we have a plus. And that is square root of 2 divided by 12. And this is going to squeeze this in. X minus pi divided by 4. And this is going to be cubed. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.